Today we're going to make a fruit salad. Let's find all the fruits we need and cut them up. What should we add first? Oh, I found an apple. 苹果 Let's cut it in half. Next, a banana. 香蕉 Let's add some grapes. 葡萄 So many little grapes. Let's count them. 1 1 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 Now how about an orange? 柳橙 Let's cut it open. So juicy. Next is a pineapple. 凤梨 That smells so sweet. Yum! Wow! We have apple, banana, grape, orange, and pineapple. Yay! We made a fruit salad. Great job, everyone!
Today we're going to make a rainbow salad with some yummy vegetables. Here's a tomato. 番茄. Let's cut it in half. Now put it in the bowl. The tomato is red. 红色. Next we have a carrot. 胡萝卜. Let's slice it up and put the pieces in the bowl. The carrot is orange. 橘色. Corn. 玉米. Let's cut it and put it in the bowl. The corn is yellow. 黄色. Here's a pea pod. Let's open it up. There are peas inside. 豌豆. Let's put them in the bowl too. Peas are green. 绿色. We need one more vegetable to complete the salad. Here's an eggplant. 茄子. Let's chop it up and put it in the bowl. Eggplants are purple. 紫色. Our salad is so colorful. Salad. 沙拉. Can you name the colors with me? Red, orange, yellow, green, and purple. Great job, everyone!